y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and I'm in my kitchen and I am making some home fried radishes. Yeah, you heard me. I said home fried radishes. Now, if you're a big fan of smothered onions and potatoes like I am, then these home fried radishes are gonna be right up your alley. And they're super simple to make too. They're just radishes, cut up, fried in bacon grease with onion, seasoned, and that's it. I mean, how easy is that? And I mentioned they're delicious, right? Like, really delicious. So let's get started. So I've got my skillet heating up behind me, and I've got my bacon. I'm gonna throw 6 slices in that skillet, fried it nice and crispy, and I'm gonna drain the bacon on some paper towels and save the grease to fry my radishes in. And now if you're doing a Whole30, you can make this too. Just make sure that you're using Whole30 compliant bacon. All right, so while my bacon is frying up over here, I'm going to take my radishes that I've already washed. This is a 16-ounce bag, and I'm gonna trim the ends off, and then I'm gonna dice them up. So this is how I do the radishes. First, I trim off the root ends, and then I take the radish and lay it down flat, and I slice it in half. And then I take those halves, slice them in half again, and then in half again, to where I end up with little cubes about that size. So my bacon has cooked and is all crispy. I have it on a paper towel lined plate, and I've just set it aside. I brought my little portable burner over here and grabbed my skillet with my grease so I can show you how to do the rest of it. So I've got my grease hot here, my bacon grease. To this, I'm gonna add my diced radishes. And go grab me a spoon. And just give it a good stir around. And I'm gonna turn this heat up to medium high, and I'm gonna cook this for 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna add about a half a cup of diced onion. And I'm gonna go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. I like to always season up high, that way it gets more evenly on the food. So I'm gonna turn the heat down to medium, and I'm gonna let this cook for another 10 minutes. I crumbled the bacon that I cooked earlier, and I'm just adding it back into the skillets with the radishes and the onions, and stirring it up. And it's done. I'm gonna grab a paper towel lined plate so I can drain it. Ta-da! Don't those look good? Because they are good. So give it a taste and see if you need more salt and pepper. If you do, add some. If you don't, don't. You can also hit it with a hint of cayenne if you're feeling a little bit spicy. That's really good too. And I'm gonna get me a little bowl of it. These are really good to serve along with breakfast in the morning time with your eggs. Yum. That's really good, you guys. I used to not like radishes when I was younger, but I really like them now. I don't know why, but I do. Check out my blog, MrsHappyHomemaker.com, for more great recipes. You can follow me on Instagram, Mrs. Happy Homemaker, Facebook, Mrs. Happy Homemaker, Pinterest, Mrs. Happy Homemaker, Twitter, that housewife. Mrs. Happy Homemaker is too long for Twitter. Now to this, I'm gonna add the bacon that I cooked previously. I've crumbled it up, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top of the radishes, along with the bowl. Picking out bacon, picking out bacon.